Good morning, everybody. Today is the 14th of February, and I think I finally slept through. Let's just say that. I think I should, because the entire day yesterday I was not on the edge of should I go back to bed or should I just stay up. And I ended up staying up, and I really didn't get much. I'm still missing out a couple of things. But I stayed up, and I slept for 12 hours. Almost 12 hours. But I feel a lot better today, let's just say that. So let's get this day started, shall we? So as you can see, I'm on the road again. Lucky for me, I did not have to go to the library. I could change all my books. So I'm sparing that trip. But I still have to go in and get cat food for my father. And I need a couple of things from a grocery shop in now. And what do I more need? I was actually thinking of taking a trip down to the big center we have in Skive, because there is actually a market there, and some of the markets people I normally are with are actually standing down there. So I was thinking of going down there and say hi. So that was an option too to do, but let's see how it all ends up. At least it is a beautiful day and still icy cold. We got a -5 to 6 degrees outside. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold. So I just went up with the cat food to my father. He was up with the lady I usually babysit for. And now I'm heading home. I did get a hell of a lot of those bags from her furnace. She got a wood pillow furnace to her house. So I got all the bags she had pills in, all the empty ones. So that was about 400 bags. I got those. And I am gonna use those to take care of the cat litter, because that's a lot cheaper. And I am also going to use them for cleaning out places where I need some big bags for cardboard and other kind of papers I need to put to the what is this called? Well, out there I usually put the branches and all that kind of stuff. So it's a good way to get some cheap bags for that, so you don't have to use too many money on those black bags we normally buy. So that was a good day, but now I need to go home with my food. Kingo, you cannot have the leftovers from my food. I know you want that dish, but you're not gonna get it. It's right up there. And he knows it. See that? He knows it. He's not gonna get it. Mommy, you're a tease. Please give me some food. Is that your sneak attack? If you can't get the food, then you're gonna to strangle me or something like that. Come, lay down. Well, guys, the clock is actually 7 minutes to 8 in the evening. I just got finished eating. And now I'm getting a massage. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog. Or what do you think? Shouldn't I? Oh yeah. You don't like I've been gone the half of the day, don't you? No, you don't. Sorry guys. But good night and see you tomorrow.